Beer Champ Barbecuers. Today we're doing up leg of lamb. It was butterflied so the bone was already removed, and I am seasoning this up heavy with Gator Shake, Uncle Steve's Gator Shake. Oh hell yeah! Blackstone's chicken and herb, and just kosher salt and black pepper. I'm gonna put in some garlic cloves as well. Wrap that up, and we're gonna tie it all up with some jute twine, butcher's twine, whatever you got. I had jute twine, so I'm using that. And we're cooking it on that Weber 26 with that basket in there from Slow Hand. Oh, hell yeah. That thing is rocking, and it does an amazing job. So check this out. So I'm cooking this at 275 on the Weber with some royal oak charcoal, and let it go for about, I mean, it took like an hour and a half or so. But you're trying to reach 135 to 145 degree internal temperature. And it smells amazing up here in the barbecue shanty. Yeah. Yeah.
What part of the lamb are we eating?
The leg. That's good. Man. Wow. And the smell is amazing. Cooking lamb, oh my. It's amazing, folks. If you've never cooked lamb, a lot of people get a little weirded out about it. But I cooked mine up to 145, let it rest for 20 minutes, and dynamite. It could have been taken off a little bit earlier, but like I said, some people get a little weird about lamb for some reason. So this was actually the only second time I've ever cooked lamb. I think lamb chops would be the next time I do them. I see those in the store as well. And, oh, hell yeah, I think I'm going to be digging into some of those. Yeah, the Weber Kettle is just been amazing since I got that basket from Greg. Thank you so much, brother. It just, man, I love using that grill now. And we got some stickers in the mail. Yes, yes, yes. And finally, Charlie, I got your stickers. Pickles Barbecue, folks. If you don't know who he is, I highly doubt you don't. But go subscribe to his channel. If not, the Barbecue Guru. Thank you, brother. Going on the board. Third time's a charm. Here's some stickers for the board. They are going up on there. Be around for sure. And I got one more from Andrew, the Grill Sergeant. Oh, hell yeah. Going up on the board. And Andrew, he's got some hobbies. Doing great video work is one of them. And he's also a big Weber fan. He's got a lot of Weber grills. And yes, we should collab very soon. Came up with that idea for some Tiger King something. Yeah, I want to make some bitch and Baskin burgers. Oh, hell yeah. So, stickers going on the board. And go subscribe to Andrew over at Grill Sergeant. You grill billies. Yeah, yeah. And thank you guys. Hopefully you got my stickers. And if you guys want stickers, you want to do a barbecue sticker swap, email me. Barbecue. Yeah. Email me at beerchampbarbecue@gmail.com. It's time to put these up on the board. Oh, right there. Sweet. Oh, like I was saying, Andrew's got some pretty cool hobbies. He makes his home brew, and he also makes ammunition right out of his garage. Awesome. It's coming together, and it's almost full. I got 2 more boards to go, and then I got to redo this wall. I got to fit Uncle Steve's flag in here somewhere, and yeah, I got some work to do. It's just been too damn hot. Subscribe to the Beer Champ Nation. Hit the thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and smash that dinner bell, because that's what time it is. Oh, hell yeah.